we, my bold and the beautiful fans? Yeah, we got a crazy manic Monday. Hopefully you're having a magnificent one because we got to talk about this episode today. First, we got Eric and the stapler as Eric reclaims his office. Steffi threatens Sheila and then punches her in the face. Welcome back to CBS Soap Dish Recap, where we recap everything CBS Soaps, both the young and the restless and the bold and the beautiful. This is your bold and the beautiful recap for November 6th. And without any further ado, let's talk about this episode. This episode kicks off with a face-off between Steffi and Sheila, and it is clear that these two got some major issues. Now, Sheila, in no mood to be trifled with, accuses Steffi of pushing her. Now, she whispers fiercely to Steffi, "You pushed me." Steffi snidely tells her mother-in-law that she did it first and won't let her hurt her family again. Sheila believes Steffi, "Look, you found true love," and insists that you don't need to be defensive. Steffi, however, labels Sheila a sociopath and pure evil. Now, Sheila claims that she's happy and in love, and Steffi questioned Deacon's intelligence for even getting involved with her. Now, Steffi threatens Sheila, stating that she won't answer to Deacon, Finn, or Ridge. She make it clear that if Sheila comes near her again, you got to answer to me. Mess with me and you will pay. And in a surprising turn of events, Steffi punches Sheila in the face and delivers a strong warning. While still at Deacon's place, Deacon vows to ensure Sheila will never be a threat to the family. Sheila promises not to be a threat and asks for Steffi's trust, but Steffi remains skeptical. She predicts that Sheila will con and corrupt Deacon. Now, Sheila respects Steffi's caution and hopes to change her mind about her intentions. Steffi finds it laughable that Sheila wants to stay in Finn's life and that Deacon believes that he can stop her. She firmly warns Sheila that she won't back down and take matters into her own hand with that whole punch in the face. Now, on a different note, Brooke, Katie, and RJ discuss Ridge's reaction to find out that Eric is dying. They are determined to ensure Eric's last days are filled with love and support. Now, Ridge is preparing Eric's CEO office for him to lead the company one more time, and Brooke believes no one is more suited for the role. Now, they all express their heartfelt support for Ridge during this difficult time. Now, in a touching scene, Eric and Donna find themselves in a room where the fashion show took place. Now, they have a disagreement about getting doctors for Eric, but he wants to savor the fashion show. Eric realizes that he is not something to be discarded and compares himself to that old stapler that Ridge once tossed aside. Eric's realization is a touching moment as he embraces Donna, cherishing their history. In the CEO office, Ridge expresses gratitude to Luna for finding that stapler with Eric initials, a gift from Stephanie. Now, Ridge reflects on how his dad went to great lengths to find this seemingly insignificant stapler, carrying his own feelings of being cast off due to age. Now, the stapler holds a deep sentimental value for Eric, and Ridge thanks Luna before she leaves, leaving him with memories of his father's search for that whole stapler. So now we have RJ searching for Luna and finds her in the design room. Luna shares her story about being sent to the storage room by Ridge. Now, RJ confides in Luna about his grandfather's terminal condition and how his father Ridge faked the fashion challenge win to give Eric one last thrill. Now, Luna and RJ now share an intimate moment, kissing and finding solace in each other's company. Finally, Donna informs her sisters that Eric is reclaiming his office. Now, Ridge is busy setting up Eric's office the way he likes it, and when Eric arrives, he tells him it's ready. Ridge expresses his respect for Eric and thanks him for everything. Eric and Ridge share a very heartfelt moment reminiscing about their history and the legacy of Forrester Creations, and Ridge is deeply moved and embraces his dad. So let's get the conversation started. This episode was filled with emotional confrontations, surprising punches, and heartwarming moments of family support, all revolving around Eric and the family dynamics and the significance of what's going on in his situation. So there you have it, your recap of The Bold and the Beautiful for November 6, 2023. If you haven't checked out the Young and the Restless recap for today, it has been uploaded to the channel. And until the next one, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.